The images of wolves have long been loved, as the animal symbolizes masculinity, courage, organization and coordination, and discipline, and strategy and perseverance. Therefore, the wolf figurines become an endless source of inspiration for artisans. As today, let us find out with the wood art and the process of sculpting and living wolf statues out of wood. The sculpture of a living wolf in wood. As today, I will spend all my time portraying a lone wolf howling under the moon. So let us follow along. First, you need to prepare a large log and then use a saw to remove the excess wood. Still using a large saw, I began sketching an early outline of the statue. Next, I used a saw with a smaller blade to sculpt into the detail of each part, from the head, eyes, mouth, legs, tail, and plumage, as I didn't leave out any detail. And in particular, the wolf's fur is handled very carefully and then sharply by me, as each line shown in a very soft and lifelike. After hours of patience, I had finished the wolf figurine. Look at it. Does it look strong and wild? Continuing with the wooden wolf statue, but this time, I think I'm about to do something unthinkable. I'm going to break things up a little bit by combining the wood with epoxy solution. So do you think this combination is suitable or not? As instead of using an original wooden block, I use a small wooden block of a different size, color, and wood grain. As using glue to put them together, I created a special wooden board. Next, I stack the wooden blocks on top of each other, forming a unified block, and then using glue to make sure. As the moment of suspense has arrived, as I will pour the epoxy solution onto the wooden block that I just created. As the wood block, after pouring the solution, has solidified, now it is time to remove the mold. After sketching the image of the wolf on the side of the block, I used a large saw to create the shape. As the work is not easy, and the epoxy material is quite hard, I have to constantly change the tools, grinders, chisels, and drills to create a desired shape. After a long time of hard work, the wolf statue has reached the final step. Covered with glossy paint, the image of a unique wolf had appeared in front of his eyes. Unbelievable, as the color effect is really attractive. I myself was amazed when I had saw my work. And impressed by the image of a wolf in this photo, I had decided to create a statue with a similar shape. as the very familiar first step is to prepare the wood and then give the statue a preliminary shape. I had used the saw to sketch from top to bottom, front to back. And after careful consideration, I want this piece of mine to look rustic, natural, so I will make it as crude as possible. As from here, it was possible to clearly visualize all the parts of the mighty wolf's body. Grinding again to the smooth and clear, as another vivid wolf statue is completed. If you own a large space, but you do not know what to decorate, then this wolf statue is a good choice. As the wooden wolf figurine is so popular, so today I will sculpt a ferocious wolf head. Therefore, the head of the wolf will be carefully cared for. As I had stacked 2 blocks of suitable size on top of each other, sketched with a pencil, and then quickly removed all the excess wood. Next, I had placed the block on the side stand to facilitate the shaping of the wolf's face. As this is a job that requires a lot of patience and concentration, so with just a little mistake, the work can become lifeless or even completely lose its value. Therefore, I put all my heart into sculpting every detail on the statue. From the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, and even the hairs on the wolf's face, that have all been recreated extremely vividly, as the work was completed very quickly. So what do you think about this work? As we hope that today's video will give you a lot of interesting information. How do you feel today? Please leave a lot of comments below to let us know. And don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel. And for now, bye, and see you in the next video.